Hi, in our video this time, we will want to talk about watermark remover from Dr.Chemist. Watermark remover can be used to remove watermark on the glass surface. It also can make the glass surface clean and shiny. It is suitable to be used on window and glass surface, such as car side windows, rear windscreen that do not have wiper, glass door and glass window. Let's see the way how to use it. First step, open the bottle cap and change to the spray head provided. Second step, wash glass surface until clean. Third step, spray watermark remover on the glass surface. Fourth step, use the sponge to gently spread the watermark remover evenly on the surface. Fifth step, wash the watermark remover liquid off the surface with water. If the spray head is broken or unusable, please use alternative method. First step, take off the spray head. Second step, pour some watermark remover on the sponge. Third step, apply watermark remover gently and evenly on the glass surface. Fourth step, wash the watermark remover liquid off the surface with water. Finally, let's see how to store watermark remover. First step, take off the spray head. Second step, cover with the original bottle cap. Third step, wash the spray head until clean. Fourth step, wash the sponge used until clean. Fifth step, store watermark remover spray head and sponge at a suitable place. And that's all you need to do. It's easy, right?